Traders, I've just been marking up the Aussie Kiwi on the 4 hour. In fact, I started with the daily. Let's just go back and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So this is in a strong bullish trend, as we can see. Okay, it's traded up. Now, what's happened here is it's hit these highs over here and it's pushed through. It reacted off that, traded back, pushed through, came back down, reacted off this level again, right? So that's a big level. The next port of call is, well, it's pushed through this one. This is my next port of call, guys. The liquidity resting up here is a target. So I've marked this up as a potential target area. Now, the other thing that we have with this is, we'll go down to the 4 hour chart and I'll show you a couple of things, right? So I'm looking for a buy opportunity, and the thing with this is it's kind of already done its thing here. We had a swing low, swing high. This pullback would have been an ideal entry. I'm always going with this 50% level on the Fibonacci as my threshold, preferably the 61.8. And that would also coincide with, let's just pull that up. Yeah, slight imbalance. Didn't even hit it, but we got this imbalance here. Okay, it's pushed through, rebalanced through this candle gap here, this imbalance, bullish. And it's okay, it's moving north. So where to from here? I'm reluctant to actually get involved long up here. I want to see it pull back down, and I'd be inclined to go with a limit buy, something like that. Stop below the order block, and I'll be targeting that. That's a 2 point something, 2.8. Okay, that's an idea. Or you can wait for it on the lower time frame and watch it trade into the London Open and see if we get this this movement. Okay, guys, so just having a look at this on the 15-minute time frame and using our strategy. When we see a green signal, we're looking for a buy when the majority of these are green, preferably after you see the candles turn red. The higher time frames green, we want to see green shift into red and then the green breakout. Same thing here. Okay, just looking at that. Yeah, the candles retrace, they turned white, a couple of red candles formed, but we get the green signal. That's our trade. Same thing with this one. The red candles, the green signal, and we buy on the pullback. Same thing we buy here. And over here, it's the opposite. We've got red predominantly under, so we're looking for the red signal. So we want to see green before the signal, this pullback, right? And then we take that trade short. And then everything changed at this point onwards. Just click on this down in here. Let me show you some of the results that we're getting. Okay, these are the trades that I've been posting into VIP. Okay, so you can see this is quite a nice outcome, and that's running with the strategy pretty much. Some of these trades are speculation as well. But here's an invite to learn our strategy, use our tools, and I mean, for $19.95 a month, you gain access to everything, but take it one step further, guys. Grow a prop firm account. This is one prop firm that I recommend. If you use my link and my code down here, make sure you click this link. That will take you to the website, and you'll get a 10% discount on their challenges. So with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.